As asset owners, you're looking to optimise the life, cost and functionality of your assets that support your core business and purpose. Aligning with your corporate strategy, we help your company's stakeholders and leadership realise organisational objectives through improved decision-making and risk management. From concept to acquisition, through to maintenance, renewal, and finally, disposal of assets that will give the best value and outcomes for your business and your customers. Dynamic data platforms and insights enable and supports quick and informed decision-making and analysis, allowing us to reduce risks and drive cost efficiencies across the whole life of an asset and increase operational performance. This will enable you to concentrate on the things that matter most to your business, your customers. Programmed, where people, process and technology come together to transform your business operations for the future.